NAND to NAND network. Design rule for NAND to NAND network is: first one, derive simplified SOP. Second one, draw circuit using the basic gates. And the third one, just replace basic gates with NAND gate. That is, first write the SOP, then draw the circuit diagram using the basic gates. What are all the basic gates? NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. Then after drawing that circuit, just replace all the basic gates with NAND gate. Okay, you can consider one example. Question is, draw the circuit diagram of a digital circuit for the function f of x, y, z is equal to f of x, y, z is equal to yz plus xz. Okay, yz plus xz function is, what are the variables in this function? Y, z, then x. 3 variables. Then how to draw the circuit diagram using NAND gates only. That is, it is an SOP. Then first draw the circuit using the basic gates. First, check the equation YZ. For representing YZ, which gate is required? Which basic gate is required? We need AND gate. First two variables are YZ. See, Y. Then the second variable Z. YZ. Which is the gate? AND gate. Okay. Then we got the output YZ. Next, we need to find out XZ. XZ. Then X is here. Then next variable is Z. Z is already there. We can take from here. That is here XZ. YZ. Here XZ. Okay. For this AND gate, inputs are YZ. First variables are YZ AND operation. Then next variables are, first input is X, second input is Z. Z is already there. So we can take from here Z. Then plus. Which is the gate? For plus, OR gate. For plus operation, OR gate, then we will get YZ plus XZ. This is the normal circuit. Okay. This is the circuit using basic gates. Then how to convert this using NAND gate? Then just replace all the basic gates with NAND gate. Okay. Draw same like this. Y, Z, YZ. Then which is the gate we need to draw? Instead of AND gate, NAND gate. Then X, first input is X, second input is Z. Again, instead of that AND gate, NAND gate. Then see here one more gate. That also need to replace with the NAND gate. Then we will get the output YZ plus XZ. Okay. Here you don't want to write the intermediate output. You just write the final output that's required. That is, first draw the circuit using basic gates, then replace all the gates with NAND gate. This is the design rule for NAND to NAND network. Okay, first draw the normal circuit diagram using basic gates, then replace all the basic gates with NAND gate. Here how many gates we used? 3 gates, 2 AND gates and 1 OR gate. Then here instead of 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate, here we are using only NAND gates. Only 3 NAND gates. Then we will get the same output. Okay, we can consider one more example. Next question. Draw the diagram of AB bar plus AC bar. AB bar plus AC bar. AB bar plus AC bar using NAND gates. What is the step? First, need to draw the circuit diagram using basic gates. Basic gates are OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. How to draw this one? See, check. First variable is, what are the variables here? A, B, C. First variable is A. Then the second variable is B bar. How to get B bar? Which is the gate we required for getting the B bar? We need one NOT gate. Okay. Then we will get B bar. Then AB bar, which is the gate? AB bar and the gate. Okay. Now we got AB bar. A. Next input is B. Then one NOT gate. What is the output of NOT gate with the input B? B bar. Here for next we need to get AB bar. For that we are using AND gate. Now we got AB bar. What is the next one? AC bar. AC bar, or A is already there, so we can take it from here. A. Then next one C bar. Next variable is C. Then how to get C bar? NOT gate. Then we will get AC bar. Okay. A, B bar, this one AC bar. Then plus. For plus, which is the gate we need? For plus, we need one OR gate. Okay, what will be the output? AB bar plus AC bar. Okay. Check the first variable A, then the second variable here B bar. For getting the B bar, we used one NOT gate. Output of this NOT gate is B bar. So the output of this AND gate is AB bar. Next one AC bar. A is already there, so we can take it from here. Next variable C bar. So we are using here one NOT gate. The output of this NOT gate is C bar. So the output of this AND gate is AC bar. Then for adding AB bar and AC bar, we are using the gate OR gate. Okay. Then we will get the output AB bar plus AC bar. AB bar plus AC bar. See here, check how many gates are used here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gates are there. two NOT gates and two NOT gates, two AND gates and one OR gate. We need to replace all these 5 gates with the NAND gate. Okay, we need to replace all of these gates with NAND gate. Then how to replace? Only the thing we need to check here, this one is NOT gate. NOT gate is having how many input? One and only one input. But NAND gate is having minimum 2 input. You just remind that one. See here A. Then next one B bar. We need to replace this NOT gate B. But here this NOT gate is having only one input. We need to replace this NOT gate with the NAND gate. So we need to give like this. Okay, then we will get B bar. Then next one AC bar. Now A B bar for replace this gate with the NAND gate. Then next one A C bar. Same like this B bar. See here we need 2 input. So split that 1 input to 2 input. Okay. Then replace that OR gate with the NAND gate. Final output is AB bar plus AC bar. Final output will be AB bar plus AC bar. Okay. In the first diagram, you have just draw the diagram with the basic gates. Then replace all that gates with NAND gate. Replace all the basic gates with the NAND gate. Here see in this diagram 5 gates are using. We just replaced all these gates with NAND gate. See in the second diagram we are using 5 NAND gates. The final output will be same. AB bar plus AC bar. Okay, this is the design rule for NAND to NAND network. First draw the diagram with the basic gates. Then replace that basic gates with the NAND gate. When replacing one and only one thing we need to just note down this one. NOT gate is having only one input but NAND gate is having 2 input. So the same input we need to split into 2. That is NAND gate is having 2 input. Here the input B we need to give the same B as 2 input of this NAND gate. That is both of the input are B. For this NAND gate both of the input are B.